Everybody put your hands in the air.
So I'm with my boy Devashish.
How's it going?
And this is his Honda Shadow.
She's an old baby. Had her for about 4 years now. 2015. Bought her with my first paycheck.
Very nice.
This like kind of smudge.
Yeah.
That's actually like from my like leg. It's like dead skin from my leg, like singed itself on there. So that's why you always want to get off on the opposite side of the tailpipe.
And that's why you want leather chaps, right?
No.
Some assless chaps, huh? You gave me the bitch helmet. You got the cool one. So we're gonna get into some business here today.
All right. Okay. Here we go. Ah! So I picked it up.
You did. Brake. So we're gonna work on your braking because obviously that needs some work.
All right. Okay.
That happens. There you go.
It's because I'm not wearing the cool helmet. I need the cool helmet.
Well, here, I can help you out. Look at me.
Oh, there we go. Now I'm gonna do it.
Here, let me show you again.
Yeah.
Key is to ease it in. You want to ease in the clutch and give it gas while you're doing it. So imagine like you're walking it along in the beginning too. So like as you go, you want to like walk it up a little bit so you have the motion. Until you have enough momentum to like pick your feet up, right?
Okay.
When you start feeling it pull forward, then you start going. He's focused, he's ready.
Oh, I got this. Oh. All right.
I'm not getting it. Is this damaging the bike?
No, you'll be fine.
Okay. This is like me dying a whole bunch in a video game. This is the important part.
It really is, almost. You got it the first time though, really easily.
I know. I don't know what happened. I'm just psyching myself out. Do I want
Here,
to like
walk
it out?
walk along with it. Maybe that'll help you like get moving. You gotta let go of the clutch though a little bit. Let go of the clutch and give it some gas. There you go. There you go. Brake.
Congratulations to your corporation. Guess you beat me, boy, you need a billion Asians. Yeah, you did it very nice, and all it took was a massive corporate entity.
Oh God.
Something a little more remote. We're disturbing families and shit out here.
Yeah. But hey, not bad. You
Really?
managed to
Like,
get
yeah, I
going.
got it going. I'm just glad I didn't drop it on the expensive part there. Dude, I've ridden in this passenger on this before. It's actually
It's not good.
it's not good. But do you want to do it really quick?
No.
No? Come on.
You want to be on the back?
I will.
Where?
I don't know, just down the street.
Okay, fine. All right, hot date. Let's go.
So that's Daddy. That's Daddy. Thanks for the ride, Daddy.
That's so weird.
I feel closer with you. There's no way they can hear any of this.